Welcome back to Automobile's Car, your go-to YouTube channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated cars of the next generation, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air. This modern revival of the iconic Bel Air nameplate is turning heads, and we've got all the juicy details right here. So, buckle up as we explore the future of Chevrolet's legendary model. The Chevrolet Bel Air has been a symbol of American automotive excellence since its debut in the 1950s. With the 2026 model, Chevy has not only honored that classic legacy, but also embraced cutting-edge technology and designed to make it a true modern marvel. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car a must-have for car enthusiasts everywhere. First, let's talk about the design. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air expertly blends retro-inspired elements with futuristic styling. From the bold chrome grille to the elegant tail fins, it's clear that Chevy hasn't forgotten its roots. But don't let those vintage touches fool you. Underneath, the Bel Air is anything but old-fashioned. With a refined aerodynamic profile, LED lighting accents, and smooth curves, this car stands out like no other on the road. Step inside. The Bel Air offers a perfect fusion of luxury and innovation. The cabin features high-quality leather upholstery, wood accents, and a driver-centric cockpit. The centerpiece is a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 12-inch touchscreen display, seamless smartphone integration, and advanced voice recognition. Plus, the Bel Air comes with a variety of customization options, so you can truly make it your own. Under the hood, the 2026 Bel Air is powered by a range of high-performance powertrains, including hybrid and all-electric options. The electric variant, in particular, offers incredible torque and a smooth, silent ride. Whether you're looking for an efficient daily driver or a car that can deliver thrills on the open road, the Bel Air has something for everyone. And when it comes to safety, the 2026 Bel Air pulls out all the stops. With Chevy's latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, you can feel confident behind the wheel. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, this car has your back. So, what's the bottom line? The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It takes everything we loved about the original and supercharges it with modern technology, performance, and style. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a tech-savvy driver, the 2026 Bel Air promises to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Automobiles, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest automotive news and reviews. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the 2026 Bel Air? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more from Automobile's Car.